Okay, look at number 5. It says write the slope-intercept form. So it's going to be y equals, what comes first? 1 over 4 x plus 3. Okay, number 7, it says write the slope-intercept form. Where can we fill in some 1s? In front of the y, and you can do one in front of the x, okay? So it's not going to hurt anything. Okay, what is our first step on these? Minus 1x on both sides. Okay, and so you're going to get negative 1y equals, and then we just write this part in a straight line. So negative 1x minus 5. Okay, we just write the other part in a straight line. And the x has to go first. Okay, and then what do we do? We're going to divide by what? Negative 1. Okay, so we're going to divide every piece by negative 1. Okay, negative 1 divided by negative 1? Positive 1. X, negative 5 divided by a negative 1?
Just regular 5.
A positive 5. So we're going to get y equals 1x plus 5. Okay, flip the page, and then the rest is new, okay? So, on all these, it says sketch the graph of the line. So, when we're graphing, the first thing, and we've already talked about it, but there are 2 types of graphs. One where it's going up this way, is that positive or negative? That is going to be a positive graph. And one that is going up this way, and that is a negative graph. Okay? And then all these graphs are in this form, y equals mx plus b. Okay? So, the first important part is you always plot the b first. Okay? So we have to plot the b first. So, this is our y-intercept. Okay? And that is on the y line. Okay? So that's on the up and down line. Okay? And then from that dot, okay, you're going to plot the m. Okay? And the m is our slope, or our rise over run, or our up and down versus our left and right. Okay, so if we're looking at number 9, what is my y-intercept? Negative 1. So we're going to go to the y line, which is the up and down line, and find negative 1, and we're going to put a giant dot. And I say a big dot, okay, we're not putting like this. That's not cool. I don't know what the pencil, I don't know where it's at. Okay, so put a big dot. Okay, now, some of you guys have this habit of like counting boxes. Okay, we're counting, this starts it. Okay, so you're going from like one cross section to another cross section. Okay, so we're going to go up 6. Okay, so we're going to go up 6 now. Don't make a dot until I like make a big dot. Okay, all my little dots are not even counting. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then again, if there's no number on the bottom of something, there is a 1. So we can either go over 1 this way or over 1 this way. Okay, now let's think about it. I need a positive or negative line? I need a positive line. So which dot, either over 1 this way or over 1 this way, is going to give me a negative line? To the right. Okay, so this is going to be my dot. Okay, look at 11. Okay, on 11, there's no y-intercept, so if there is no y-intercept, it's a 0. Okay, so put a plus 0 on the end. Okay, so my graph is going to start at 0. What is my slope? 5 over 3. So we're going to go up 5 and over 3 to the left or the right. I need a positive line. To the right. Okay, look at 13. Where does my graph start at? -5. So we're going to go to the y line and find the -5. And what is my slope? 9 over 5. So I'm going to go up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over 5, which way? I need a positive line. To the right. Okay, look at 15. Okay, 15 looks a little bit different because it's not in the slope-intercept form. So in order for us to graph, it needs to be in slope-intercept form, which is the y equals mx plus b, which is what we did on number 8. So the steps are still the same, so you're going to have to do the work off to the side, okay? So our first step is always to do what? We're trying to get y by itself, so what is our first step? Subtract the x's. Okay, and I'm going to write my problem over here. 3x minus 5y equals 25. Okay, so we're going to say minus 3x minus 3x. Okay, so I'm going to get negative 5y equals, which one do I write first, the 25 or the 3x? 3x, so we're going to say minus 3x plus 25. Okay, and then what needs done? Divide every piece by -5. Okay, and so the 5's cancel out. And so we are left with, and again, we need to use the calculator. What is -3 over -5? It's going to be a positive 3 over 5. X. Okay, 25 over -5. -5. Okay, and so now this is ready to be graphed, okay? And that has to be in this form in order for us to be graphed, okay? So if we're looking at that, okay, what are we going to plot first? -5. So we're going to go to where y is -5 and put our dot. And what is my slope? 3 over 5. So we're going to rise 3, so go up 3. And over 5, which way? To the right. You're going to cross off 17. Just because I'm thinking about it, number 18, you need to put a 1 there in front of the y. Okay, and number 20, you need to put a 1 there in front of the y. Okay, so number 19, I'm going to write off to the side. So I got 4x minus 5y equals -5. Okay, what needs done first? Minus 4x on both sides. Okay, so I get -5y equals -4x minus 5. Okay, and then what? divide by -5. Okay, so I'm gonna get y equals, what is -4 over -5? So positive 4 over 5x. -5 over -5 is a positive 1. Okay, and so now this is ready to be graphed. Okay, who's getting plotted first? The 1. So we're gonna go to the y line and find the 1 and put a dot. And then what is my slope? Up 4 over 5. So we're gonna go up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 5. Okay, you guys got 10 to do on your own. Go through and get your 10 done.